Apache Openoffice review and a sort of demo and tutorial. So first of all, we're just gonna go ahead and explain what this software or tool is. So it is a free and open source office productivity suite that pretty much includes tools for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, graphics, databases, and much more. You can do text documents, spreadsheets as we mentioned, databases, drawings, templates, and you can open your own files that you've already created. But anyways, so in order to get started with OpenOffice, you're gonna have to go to your preferred browser and search for Apache OpenOffice, of course. Then you're gonna go to this website with the official download. It will pretty much just directly lead you to something like this. So you're gonna have to select your operating system, language, and version. So maybe you're using Linux 64-bit or an OS X version. So just go ahead and choose, and there are different platforms and other operating systems over here, so present that. But in our case, we're going with the Windows 32-bit, we're going with the English language, US, and the latest version. Then you're just gonna go ahead and download the full installation. But once it's downloaded, it's just gonna go ahead and let you open an installation app or somewhat an installer. It's just gonna ask you where to put the files in, some details, and just finish that process. It should just do it all automatically, and then you'll pretty much just get the OpenOffice app itself. So over here, this is pretty much a program where you choose the application you want to use, such as a writer for documents, presentations, spreadsheets. So pretty much depends on what you want to do. So in a typical workflow, you can create a document in a writer, format text, insert images or tables, and save files in OpenOffice formats, or export them to more common formats like a PDF file or a Microsoft Office file. And it pretty much just allows you to perform calculations, the other applications inside OpenOffice, other than the documentation writing over here, which does help you design slideshows with templates and animations. But overall, if you go ahead and explore the OpenOffice Writer, especially since it's free, it is kind of easy to learn for beginners and provides essential office tools for your everyday productivity tasks without requiring a subscription. So if you want to go ahead and learn more, it's definitely much better to explore it yourself, but there are some tools that needs a bit of explanation, but it should just all be inside the Apache OpenOffice. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.